Hey everybody, welcome back for another cutting video. My name is Taylor and I'm really excited for what we're cutting today. We are cutting cold mountain thunder eggs from the Sierra Mountains in Mexico. So here are our cold mountain thunder eggs from Mexico. These things are absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to see what is hiding within. And these are sent over to us from William, and he wants to remain anonymous, so I'm not going to let you know who sent it over to us. But I am going to get started by cutting this little guy right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So much potential. Let's go. Well, as I was cutting, I think a cloud went away or something, and then we got a huge shadow on the cut video. So I think that's what happened. So sorry about that. Anyways, let's peek at this for the first time. Man, the sun's just killing me today. Let's peek at this. All right. Oh my I'm gonna be honest, I have neighbors outside and I'm kind of withholding a little bit, but this is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, get out of here. So much. There's a botryoidal geode pocket right there. Sorry, right there. Botryoidal geode pocket. This is one of the gnarliest thunder eggs I've ever seen. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Thank you to the anonymous sender. You're the man. These are epic. It's so fun cutting this, sharing it with all of you. Oh my gosh, let's cut another one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's so sweet. Wow. All right. Here is the second one. This is the second, I would say, yeah, this is the second biggest. We're gonna cut this guy right through here. It's probably gonna take like 4-5 minutes because these are really hard, very hard. I noticed that with that little one. I was actually surprised at how long it took to cut it. But yeah, so we'll fire up our saw, we'll cut it. I'm just amped up right now. My neighbors have finally gone away. This is awesome. All right, let's cut this one and have a full-blown reaction if it's epic. All right, folks, that was a hefty cut. That was a hefty cut. Let's peek at this bad boy. Oh my gosh. The array of colors inside this. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh, look at that. Gosh, that almost looks like opal up there. So crazy. Oh my goodness. These are some of the coolest. I will say these are the coolest thunder eggs I have ever cut open. Ever. Wow. And we got one more and it's bigger than this one. Let's go take a peek at it. So here's Big Poppy, our biggest and final cold mountain thunder egg. I'm excited to cut this. I'm gonna cut it right in through here. I know it gets a little more narrow in here, but you can see this right here. This comes in through here, and I'm hoping that we get just this agate packed center inside. I'm hoping that that runs through like that. Fire up the saw one more time, cut this beauty open. So we got our last thunder egg cut, and I just wanted to say, if you noticed the stones jumping a lot in this video, it's because I have a warp in my blade and I need to replace it. So I have an extra one. I use the high-tech diamond 10-inch thin sintered, and I do love these blades. They last a really long time. I've had this one for quite a while, and I just want to say, if you're interested in checking out these blades, I'll have it linked below, and if you use code our thunder egg. Alrighty, here is our third and final thunder egg from Mexico. Let's peek at it. Oh, I hit it with the hose, so okay. Oh my gosh, this is the best one. You've gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, that is by far my favorite of all three. It looks like mountains and a waterfall coming down. Gosh, it looks like mountains there. Gosh, this thing has got so many different things to see inside it. Oh, I'm in love with this. Hands down, the best thunder egg I've ever cut open ever. So happy I get to share it with all of you. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, because these are epic, and it was so nice of our anonymous sender to gift these to us to share with all of you. What a blessing. These are insane, absolutely so cool. And again, the first one that we cut, not at all a disappointment. The smallest of the three, packs a punch of beauty inside it. My gosh. Didn't expect that when we cut this the first time. Our second one, that is just absolutely wild. So much going on. Whoa, got some baby Yoda ears. It's Grogu, don't worry, I know. Oh, this is so awesome. The colors in that are perfect. Absolute perfection. Just as good, so different than the first one. Sweet. And again, the last one. This one's my favorite. Hands down my favorite. Favorite one of today, favorite one ever. I need to find out how I can get more of these, because I am obsessed with these now. This is the gnarliest thing I've ever seen. So sweet. Well, I had a ton of fun cutting open those cold mountain thunder eggs from Mexico, and I had no idea when I started this cutting project that those thunder eggs were going to be that cool, and I had no idea they were going to end up being my new favorite thunder eggs to cut open. So I got to figure out how to get more of those so I can cut them and share them with all of you. I hope you all enjoyed this cutting video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe or follow button so you can join along on future cutting adventures. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.